Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Oppo Reno11 F. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so restart your Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the settings, then go to the additional settings and select reset. Now choose the reset phone and choose reset network settings. The Bluetooth is included here. After that, just tap on the reset network settings button and check for your device again. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the settings like before, then go to the about device and tap on the color OS. If you have an update, install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.